We'll begin under the hood. The turn signal bulbs are easily accessible behind the light housing. Reach in and turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED bulb. We will test both the parking lights and the turn signals with this bulb. The bulb is white for the parking lights and then turns yellow when the turn signal is applied, then back to white when the turn signal is off. Line up the tabs on the socket with the housing and insert it back into the housing. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Now we'll repeat the same steps for the passenger side. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED bulb. Test both the white for the parking light and yellow for the turn signal. This new LED bulb is much brighter than the incandescent bulb, with no error codes, flickering, or hyperflashing. Switch from white to yellow with this canvas switchback LED bulb.